Hello, welcome to my student support system. In today's class, we will discuss about scabies. This lecture is in English, and if you want to study in Hindi, just click on I button and you will get link of Hindi lecture, or you can directly visit to channel and search for your topic. What is scabies? Scabies is a parasitic infestation of the skin caused by a mite whose penetration is visible as papules, vesicles and tiny linear burrows containing the mites and their eggs. It leads to extreme itching. Scabies is highly contagious disease. What is causative agent? Scabies is caused by the itch mite, that is also known as Sarcoptes scabiei or Acarus scabiei. The female parasite burrows into the epidermis where it breeds and causes the condition known as scabies or itch. The itch mite is just visible to the naked eyes, measuring 0.4 mm in size and has a body shaped like a tortoise, rounded above and flattened below. A single female may lay up to 30 eggs at the rate of 2 to 3 eggs per day and ultimately dies at the end of the burrow. The eggs hatch into larvae in 3 to 4 days. The larvae come on the surface and bore into the hair follicle where vesicles are formed. The larvae mature into nymph in about 3 days. The nymph develop into adult in 6 to 8 days. The life cycle from egg to adult takes about 10 to 15 days. The adult might live for 1 to 2 months. How it spreads? It is contagious. The mode of transmission is direct contact. Transfer of parasite commonly occur through prolonged direct contact with the infested skin and also during sexual act. Transfer from the undergarments and bedclothes or towels is possible only if these are contaminated and used by infested people. What are the clinical manifestations? How you will come to know that you are suffering from scabies? Itching is the main symptom of the scabies and itching is intense. Lesion in the form of papules, vesicles and tiny linear burrows may also be visible. Itching and lesion are prominent around the finger webs here, anterior surface of the wrist, elbow, anterior axillary folds, belt line, thighs and external genitalia in men. Itching and lesions are prominent around the finger webs, nipples, abdomen and lower portion of the buttocks are frequently affected in women. And in infants, the head, neck, palms and sole may also be involved. Itching is very intense. The client continue to scratch and even scabbing may be formed in later stage due to intense scraping or itching. And this itching is increased at night, but the complications are limited to only the lesion secondary infected by scabbing. No, it is not very serious or life-threatening, but sketching is intense. What are diagnostic investigations? History of itching and physical examination is used for diagnosis. Confirmed diagnosis is made by the recovery of mite through the skin scraping and identifying it microscopically. Care should be taken to choose the lesion for scraping and biopsy that have not been excoriated by repeated scratching. This you should keep in mind. what is the treatment? There are anti-mite medicines like benzyl benzoate. 25% is effective against each mite. It should be applied to every inch of the body, means whole skin should be covered starting from chin to sole and feet, everywhere it should be applied. Allowed to dry for approximately 12 hours, means normally it is asked to apply it in the night and the next morning the candidate can take bath, and this should be repeated for 3 consecutive nights. Then the treatment is normally completed. After treatment, all garments, clothes, bed sheets should be changed and washed. Calamine lotion is applied for relieving the itching. Other anti-mite drugs are also available that can be prescribed by doctor. Anti-allergic drugs may be prescribed. Other anti-mite medicines are available such as permethrin and topical application of 1% gamma benzene hexachloride. The treatment system will be same. How you will prevent and control the disease? In the control of scabies, it is essential to treat all members of the affected household or the family should be treated simultaneously, whether they have the symptoms or not, because normally they are sharing the very closeness and all may be infected. So if you treat one, then soon the candidate will again be infested by the mite, because that mite is on the body of other family member. So whole family should be treated together. So this is the best control method for the scabies. Then health education should also be given on the mode of transmission, early diagnosis and importance of treatment of the whole family and close contact. This is very important. Then isolation. Exclude infested individual from school and work until the day after treatment, means 24-hour isolation. For hospitalized patient, contact isolation for 24 hours after start of the medicine, that is sufficient. Concurrent disinfection for the close contact articles, especially bed sheets, garments, clothing, towels, hankies, etc. that client have used for 48 hours prior to the treatment, that should be disinfected. Then investigation of close contacts and source of the infestation is also very important. Search for unreported and unrecognized cases from the family and the work area. Single infestation in family is uncommon, means mostly whole family is infected. Treat prophylactically those who are or who had skin to skin contact with the infested people or clothes sharing. Avoid overcrowding, or avoiding the overcrowding is also a method of preventing the scabies. Sharing the clothes like towels, handkerchief, bed sheets, blankets should be avoided. Maintenance of personal and environmental hygiene is also helpful in preventing skin diseases, including scabies. So in this way, this can be prevented. Thank you students for watching this video. You can subscribe the channel for latest updates. You can like Facebook page, and for making your notes, don't forget to visit my blog mynursingstudents.blogspot.com. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and join Facebook group Nursing Notes. Thank you. Have a nice day.